So in this video, we are going to learn how to auto-generate articles using AI agent. So I'm going to show you how you can create an AI agent using Pabbly Connect, using which automatically when you are going to add a new topic in your Google spreadsheet, automatically you can send that same topic to ChatGPT and generate an article out of it. Also using the same AI agent or using the same automation, the article which we have generated will be added in Google Doc and a new document will be created for each and every article. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google spreadsheet in which we are entering the topics of the article which we want to generate. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI agent automation using Pabbly Connect, by which whenever we are going to add a new row of topic in our Google spreadsheet, using this AI agent, the same topic will be sent to OpenAI, to ChatGPT. And using ChatGPT, we are going to basically generate the actual article. And after generating the content of the article and the title using ChatGPT, we are going to enter the same details in this Google Doc template and we are going to create a new document out of it with the fresh article content, and the new document will be stored in our Google Drive automatically. So let's see how it is done. To get started, here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Google Sheets to ChatGPT to Google Docs. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Google spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we enter the date and the topic of a new article in our Google spreadsheet, automatically the same row data will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using this AI agent, this automation workflow which we are creating, we are going to send the same topic to ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, we are going to generate the title and the content of the article. After generating the content, we are going to add the same title and content in this template document which we have created in Google Docs and create a new document for each and every article. And the newly created document will be stored into a specific folder in our Google Drive. So we are going to build an AI agent for Google Sheet which will automate this complete process with Pabbly Connect. Now to get started, here in our trigger step in Choose App, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Trigger Event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New or Updated Spreadsheet Row. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we have to add this webhook URL in our Google Sheet over here. And to add the webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL and go to your Google spreadsheet. After coming to Google Sheets, go to Extensions, Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. As we click on Get Add-ons, we will reach to Google Workspace Marketplace. And here in Search app, we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now here you can see Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on is already installed in my Google Sheets. You just have to install this same add-on into your own Google Sheets account, and after installing it, just refresh your Google Sheets once. This is a very important step. After refreshing our Google Sheets, once again go to Extensions and you can see Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on is now added. Just hover on it and click on Initial Setup. After clicking on Initial Setup, this box will appear in front of us. And it is basically asking us 3 different things. First one is Selected Sheet. Now in this Google spreadsheet, right now I have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why by default, it has selected Sheet 1 that we want to send the new row of data to Pabbly Connect from Sheet 1. Then it is asking us for the webhook URL. Now here in the field of webhook URL, as you can guess, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which we have received from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, it is asking us for the trigger column. Now you must be thinking, what is this trigger column? So trigger column is basically the last data entry column of our Google Sheet in which any data we are going to enter. So column B is going to be my trigger column for this Google Sheet because it is the last column in which I will be entering any data. After column B, in any of the column, none of my data does not exist. So we are going to enter column B as trigger column. Now after this, let's click on this send test button. As we click on send test, here you can see the data of very first row after headers, the data of row number 2 is now sent successfully to Pabbly Connect as a test response. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, you can see we have received the response. In this response, you can see the details of the same row. Here you can see we have received the response of the same topic. Then we'll scroll down further and here you can see we have the same date. Also, we have the row index, that the data of which particular row we have received. We have the name and the ID of the spreadsheet as well. So in this way, the step 1 is completed. Now once again, we'll get back to this Google Sheet, click on this submit button. And as we click on submit, here you can see it is showing us that the setup is configured successfully. Now after this, close this window. Once again, go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on this send on event button. By selecting send on event, we are telling this Google Sheets, we are telling this add-on that whenever a new row of data is added till our trigger column, till column B, immediately, instantly send that data to Pabbly Connect. Now, after receiving the topic from Google Sheets in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we want to send this exact same topic to ChatGPT. And using ChatGPT, we are going to generate a title and the content of the article which we want to create. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, we are going to search for ChatGPT over here. Just select ChatGPT. After selecting ChatGPT in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Ask ChatGPT. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our ChatGPT account, or should I say, our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you will get this API key. So to get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the dashboard, just go to this API key settings. After coming to the API key settings, just click on this create new secret key button. Give this key a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account using which you want to generate the API key and select the permission as all and click on this create secret key button. As we click on create secret key, here you can see the API key is generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our ChatGPT account will get connected, or should I say our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the AI model. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the models of ChatGPT which are offered by OpenAI. You can choose any model as per your choice. Let's say I will be using GPT-4o as a model to generate the article content. So I've selected GPT-4o over here. Then it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the prompt we are going to give to ChatGPT to generate the article. So let me just enter a prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm entering. Write an engaging article on the topic I am adding below. I want you to provide only the title and the article content in a JSON response without adding anything extra. Refer to the example JSON I'm sharing below and format your response accordingly. Then I have provided this example JSON in which I'm asking for a separate response for the title of the article and the article content as well. So in this way, what we have done, we have given this particular prompt. And after that, here in front of topic, we want to add the same topic which we have entered in our Google Sheet. So we have received the Google Sheet response in our Pabbly Connect workflows trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of topic to this ChatGPT action step. And to add the trigger step response into this action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field in front of topic and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Sheets. Out of all of these responses, select this response of topic and it will be mapped. So the complete prompt will be the same for each and every article, but the topic will be keep on changing based on what topic we are entering in our Google spreadsheet. After entering your prompt and mapping the topic, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see within seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And in this response, you can see we have received separate response for the title and the article content. In front of title, we have the best title which is suitable for the article which is generated by ChatGPT. And in front of article content, we have the complete content of the article for the same topic which we have entered over here in the prompt, basically in our Google spreadsheet. So in this way, the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. Now let's move to step 3, where we are going to add this exact same title and the content in our Google Doc template and generate a new document out of it. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, we are going to search for Google Docs. Just select it. After selecting Google Docs, an action event from this drop-down, select the action event as Create Document from Template. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Docs account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign in with Google button. Then here in this pop-up window, select your Google Docs account in which you have created the template. Then scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, here you can see our Google Docs account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the template document. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the documents which we have created in our Google Docs account. Out of all of this, which particular document we want to use as a template to add the article content and generate a new document out of it? We have to select that. So the template which I have created is named as New Article Template. So here from this dropdown, I'm going to select that same template document. Now here you can see it is asking us for the new document's name. That what will be the name of the new document which we are generating. So I want the title of the article as the new document's name. So we have received the title and the content of the article from ChatGPT. So from ChatGPT responses, we are going to map the response of the topic title or the article title over here in this new document's name. For that, just click on this field from the drop down. Here you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps. So here from the ChatGPT responses, select the response of the title of the article and map it over here. Then after that, here it is giving us the new document location. So as I told you that the documents which we are generating, those documents will be stored into a specific folder into the same account's Google Drive. So in Google Drive as well, in which particular folder we want to save it. We have to select that. In this dropdown, you can see a list of all the folders from our Google Drive account. So out of all of this, AI generated articles, this is the particular folder which we have created. And we want to store the articles or the Google Doc file of the articles in this particular folder. So we have selected that. Then here you can see in this template document, here we have created 2 dynamic text, 2 variables. First one is title written in double curly braces and second one is content written in double curly braces. And you can see both of these variables as fields inside Pabbly Connect. So we just have to map the respective details from the ChatGPT responses in these fields. So in the field of title from the drop down from ChatGPT responses, map the response of the title of the article. And then here in content, we are going to map the response of the content of the article as well. After mapping both the details and selecting all the options, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we are going to receive some response. And the response is received. This response shows that the template which we have created, using this template, we have generated a new document. And whatever content for the topic of the article which we have entered in Google Sheet is given by ChatGPT, with the same content, the new document is generated. So let's check it. We will check our Google Drive folder. So we'll just go to Google Drive, refresh this folder once. And yes, here you can see in this folder, just now, a new document is created. If we open this document here, you can see in this document in front of article title, we have the same title which was given by ChatGPT for our topic which we have entered in our Google spreadsheet. The title over here is Pabbly Connect, the no-code automation tool revolutionizing workflows. And then we have the rest of the content of the same article which was generated by ChatGPT. So in this way, we have created this AI agent for Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Using this, just by entering the topic of the article in our Google spreadsheet, you can automatically generate the article content and title, and it will be added into a Google Doc, and the Google Doc will be automatically saved into a specific folder in my Google Drive. Now, after creating this AI agent, after creating this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. So what we are going to do, I'm just going to enter the topic of a new article over here. So I have already copied the topic of my next article over here. Let me just paste it. So the topic is Best Pabbly Connect Integration for Automating Marketing and Sales. Write a listicle format covering all top integrations for lead generation, email marketing, and CRM automation. So this is the topic of my next article I have entered in my Google spreadsheet. And we will see as we enter this topic, automatically within seconds, using this AI agent, the article content will be generated using ChatGPT and will be added into the Google Doc. And the Google Doc will be stored automatically in our Google Drive. So we'll just go to a Google Drive folder, refresh our Google Drive once. And yes, here you can see that just now a new document is created and saved in this Google Drive. If I open the new document, the title of the article is Best Pabbly Connect Integrations for Automating Marketing and Sales. This is the title of the article written on the same topic which we have entered in our Google spreadsheet. And also we have the content of the article as well. So in this way you can see this AI agent created using Pabbly Connect is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications or these AI use cases, you can basically cater multiple AI use cases and automations using Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this AI agent for absolutely free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.